What's up, guys? Welcome back to Protect and Survive. Today, I wanted to talk about a $20 chopper, budget-friendly bushcraft knife. This is what it is, guys. It's the Swiss Tech. It's the model number. Okay, this thing is a beast. I'm gonna pull it out. I already opened it, but I'll put it back in to make it look like it was brand new. Everybody. So, check it out, right? You take it out. It comes in this leather sheath, the plastic, long ass box. I'm a little jealous. But anyway, right? Comes in this little sheath, the loop, snap the button, pull it out. This thing, that's not a knife. This is a knife. Crocodile Dundee status, guys. This blade is freaking huge. Look, like 3.5 of my hands, right? Let's see if I'm gonna throw a spark. Take the ferro rod, get a spine right here. Let's see if this works, alright? Let's see if it's bushcraft friendly. Oh, gotta use the front part. See? Live and learn. We learn together. Use the front part. Boom. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Sweet. Super sharp. It's just like big blade. Okay. Use it for chopping stuff, batoning, processing, surviving. Right? Yeah. Swiss Tech. See that there. $20. Beefy. If you like what you see, I'll leave the link in the description below. It's got a hole, we can put a lanyard in it and carry it around, process stuff, do things with it. I'm gonna try to make some toggles so I can show you how to do the traps and stuff when I was showing you the snares. And I'm gonna show you how to make the toggles to attach it to the snares. Alright guys, welcome to Protect and Survive. Stay tuned. Peace. So guys, welcome back to Protect and Survive. We're gonna try to make some toggles out of this for your snare wires. If you remember the videos I've done previously before, showed you the snare, how to do it. You need toggles for that. You need to make them out of wood, okay? So preferably cut this thing in half. Alright, because you're gonna have to sharpen the point, stick this in the ground, have your little notch, have this one with the notch in it, so it attaches this way. Halfway. So we get a breaking point, right? What you want to do is you want to sharpen one end so it's this is already like jacked up. All right, it doesn't have to be crazy, anything stupendous, anything whatever. All right. Remember, these are tools. They're not weapons. Don't anybody tell you otherwise. These are tools. They've been used as weapons, and people consider them weapons, but they're really tools, alright? Doesn't have to be anything fancy, right? Just has to be enough to go into the dirt, okay? Just like a driving point, more or less, as an access, okay? As long as it goes in, good. Remember to always spit on it. No. Don't listen to me, alright? Don't listen to me. Alright. A little point there. Alright, that's gonna be our point. Okay, this is going to go into the ground. Probably about like this much. It's just to hold the other toggle, okay? Doesn't have to be anything fancy. It just has to be enough, and you pack the dirt over and you keep it insecure, right? So what you want to do is on top, you want to start carving a little wedge in it. So you take your knife, roll it. It's probably easier to just roll it in. You can kind of do that too, all right? I'm gonna make a little mark, okay? Just to show you about the bark here. Make a little mark. All right, see that there? And what that's gonna do is that's just gonna be your indicator, right? And then you want to start carving at a 45-degree angle so it looks like a check. All right. You start carving in. I'm gonna get further back on this one. All right. Hold it through. Alright, so essentially what you want to do is you want to make it look like a 7. Okay? Got a little stopper here. So you got your point, you jam it in, boom. Goes into the dirt. Boom, so this is gonna be your toggle. We have to cut a groove, get it in here, right? Let's use this side. So I gotta cut a 7 groove into this and a groove into the top so we can wrap our line around. Stay tuned while I do that. Alright guys, welcome back. So sorry about that. What you want to do is you want to take your toggle and you want to make the cut deeper than your 7-notch stick that's going to go into the ground, right? So that it actually sticks. So when it pulls, you feel the tension, right? And that actually stays attached to your mechanism, right? And I groove the top here. Doesn't have to be pretty, just has to be functional, right? So that you can wrap your snare wire around it, right? So remember how we named the snare wires? Okay. So we just do that real quick. Just make a little loop. All right. Like that. Wrap it around. Okay. Just so you guys can see it. You know, again, like, see it again. I cut myself off camera. The blade, the thing is sharp. So just be careful when you're cutting with a new blade or a sharp blade at that point, right? Get your pliers. Okay. Wrap it around. Slide this thingy through. Bing, bada, boom. And again, the diameter is depending on what you're catching. You want to catch rabbit, you want to catch a squirrel, you want to catch a pigeon. Remember, there's a weight differential in the 3, okay? So we're just gonna set it like this, a little crank, right? Boom. Okay, so it sets in there, crank there. Here, right? your snare. That's the piece that's gonna wrap around its neck. Make it go bye-bye. Forever. Okay? This is gonna get attached to this. Alright? However you wanna do it. Okay? And then you're gonna attach this to your little sapling, right? That's like gonna be like a little tree thingy, right? That you're gonna use or make to attach the rest of this to. Okay. Basically, you want this set up like such, right? That it's in the vicinity of the animal. Okay. You're gonna get another piece of rope. You're gonna attach this to a thin tree that actually bends and snaps back like a whip, right? When you do it, so it's gonna bend. And when this releases, it's gonna go quack, right? Like fast, quick. Hopefully it's 1 kill. If not, the thing's just gonna hang there. It's gonna die anyway, and you got your food. Okay, this is not for the squeamish. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you want to have this set up. You want to have your little thing over there, right? You want to have this in the ground. You want to have this attached to it, okay? The pressure and stuff, right? So this is gonna go into the ground, right? You put some put dirt around it. You have it like this essentially. You have your little snare system, right? It gets caught, it gets pulled. That's it. It's over, right? Lights out. Okay, and you can reuse these for a few times actually. So get the little pinch in there, right? It out. Essentially, that's what it's gonna look like. I'll get into another video where we actually set it up and use it. Guys, welcome to Protect and Survive. Stay safe.